Ever wondered why you can't look away from certain designs while others you instantly forget? The world's most successful designers have been using a secret formula hiding in plain sight. What if I told you that five specific techniques from movie posters, techniques that Hollywood has spent billions perfecting, could double your website's engagement overnight? These aren't ordinary design tricks. They tap directly into human psychology in a way most designers completely miss. And the craziest part, they're staring right at you every time you walk past a theater. In the next 5 minutes, I'll reveal these five psychological triggers that the top 1% of designers use. And I promise by the end of this video, you'll have the exact techniques to transform your website from forgettable to unforgettable. Stay until the end where we put all these principles into action with the mind-blowing example, and you don't want to miss out on that. So let's dive in. And if you're into content like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It really motivates us to keep going. The first secret is all about that instant visual punch. Look at Rosemary's Baby. One eerie silhouette against green, that's it. No complicated scenes or character collages. Or a Clockwork Orange with its wall-breaking compositions. These posters don't explain, they grab. Your homepage hero section needs this exact same visual punch. Users decide in less than 3 seconds whether to stay or leave your site. Ask yourself, if my website had just 3 seconds to make users stay, what single visual would do the job? That becomes your hero image. Everything else is secondary. Secret number 2. Typography isn't just text, it's visual storytelling. Look at Saul Bass's work on Vertigo. The letters themselves create dizziness. The Pulp Fiction's type immediately transports you to those vintage paperbacks. The Manhattan title literally becomes the skyline. The font isn't saying Manhattan, it is Manhattan. Most web designers just use standard fonts from templates, but movie posters show us that typography can tell your brand story before users even read a single word. Your website headers and navigation aren't just text, they are the first impression of your brand's personality. Custom type treatments on hero headlines can increase engagement by up to 30%. The third secret is how movie posters create entire narratives in a single frame. The usual suspects doesn't just show faces, the lineup formation tells you everything about the movie's mystery without spoiling anything. The Ghostbusters logo doesn't show you a single character, but it perfectly captures the film's concept in one brilliant mark. Next time you select imagery for your website, ask yourself, does this stock photo just look nice or does it actually tell my brand story? There's a massive difference in user engagement. The images on your product pages, about section, and even blog thumbnails should be working as hard as movie poster imagery, telling a complete story that resonates emotionally with users. Users make split-second judgments about your website based on imagery alone. Have you ever stayed on a website longer because of a compelling visual? Let me know in the comments. Secret 4 is all about the emotional power of color. The Godfather's black, red, and yellow creates immediate danger and power. Frozen's icy blues instantly communicates fantasy and adventure. Jurassic Park combines jungle greens with warning yellows and reds to create tension and excitement before you see a single dinosaur. Most websites use safe corporate color palettes that fade into the background, but movie posters show us how to create memorable experiences through deliberate color psychology. Your website's color palette isn't just decoration, it's affecting user behavior. Studies show color influences whether users trust your site, how long they stay, and even conversion rates. If you think that makes sense, do hit that like button. The final secret is visual hierarchy. How movie posters guide your eye exactly where they want it to go. In Back to the Future, notice how your eye moves from the DeLorean to the title, to the characters, and then to the tagline. It's a choreographed visual journey. Great posters lead your eye through information in order of importance, creating a natural flow that feels satisfying. This is why movie posters never confuse you about what to look at first, and your website shouldn't either. These 5 secrets: visual impact, storytelling typography, narrative imagery, strategic color, and clear hierarchy are the same principles that separate forgettable websites from the ones that convert visitors into customers. In today's overcrowded digital space, your website needs to grab attention as effectively as a movie poster in a crowded theater lobby. Let's understand this better by exploring Andy Clark's fascinating approach to web design through the lens of movie posters. Clark created a theoretical web design brief for a company called The Daily Grind to demonstrate how cinematic design principles can transform websites from forgettable to fascinating. In Clark's hypothetical scenario, he imagines The Daily Grind, a coffee company seeking a bold, disruptive design distinct from its competitors. Now, the company Daily Grind needs a donation page as an addition to its commercial ventures. The Daily Grind actively raises funds to support sustainable coffee growers. The sections introducing each grower and encouraging donations need to be super compelling. Now, let's see how Clark visualizes these principles and designs the donation page for the sustainable coffee growers. Are you ready for it? Fair disclaimer, this by far is one of the most impactful donation page designs I have ever seen. Since faces are a powerful visual tool in movie posters, Clark incorporates striking portraits that make direct eye contact with the viewer, demanding attention. Movie posters often feature bold, oversized titles, so he applies the same approach by using large center-aligned headlines. These dominant text elements combined with the grower's portrait create a strong visual hierarchy. An accent color highlights interactive elements, making them stand out as actionable. Establishing a clear visual hierarchy is just as essential for websites and products as it is for a poster design. A clear hierarchy delivers the message efficiently. In this case, a striking image and a bold title serve as the primary focal points, the additional details becoming progressively smaller in size. Now, this is the best example of how even a simple donation page can leave a lasting impact and makes you want to know more about the brand. This is what we call great UX. By studying what makes movie posters work, we can create web experiences that, like great films, leave audiences wanting to more. Tag me in your website redesigns inspired by these techniques on Instagram, and I'll feature my favorites in the next video. If you're looking to push your design boundaries, hit that subscribe button for more unconventional design approaches. I'll see you next week, and until then, keep designing experiences that demand attention.